Okay, this says without technology, solve the following equation for theta on the interval 0 to 2 pi. And you've got 2 sine to the fourth minus 3 sine squared equals -1. So first, let's we're gonna have to do algebra first before we do the trigonometry. So let's just say that S is our stand-in for sine. I'm going to plus 1 to both sides right away. Oops. Now, if you see, notice like the degrees are going down by 2. Of course, you could write S to the 0 here. So this is what's called a quartic trinomial, and it can factor in a similar fashion to just any quadratic. So like if you want to think of it like this, okay, this, it's like, yet we could do like yet another little substitution here. Let's pretend that's W. Okay, so we're really saying 2W squared minus 3W plus 1 equals 0. Now this can factor. Hopefully this looks more recognizable. Whether you need this substitution or not, I guess depends on who you are. But a 1 and a 1, and it looks like we need these to be minuses, right? So there's the factorization. And that tells me that so W equals a half. And here means W equals 1, but W was really S squared. Okay, so now it's S squared equals 1/2, and S squared equals 1. Okay, but S was really sine. So it's, well, actually, first, if we square root, you get that S is plus or minus the square root of 1/2, which is 1 over root 2. And here, when you square root, you get plus or minus 1. So now it's time to go remind us that this is about sine, and now we have to do trigonometry. So all of that was just algebra. So we need to solve these equations. Sine equals 1 over root 2. And then we also need to solve sine equals -1 over root 2. And here we need to find the solutions to sine equals 1, sine equals -1. And again, our unit circle is the go-to. So our solutions are, for 1 and -1, hopefully we buy that pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2 are the solutions here and here. So I have those two solutions. Okay, and then 1 over root 2 and -1 over root 2, those are happening right at the angles that are multiples of 45, not on the axes. Okay, so pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4. And together, this makes up my solution set.